Stephen Bird, Captain, Chaplain Corps, United States Navy, retired. Returned home, everybody was pretty well excited. You know, we're coming on home, being able to see our loved ones, and being able to, came in early. I remember he came in early, I think it was on a Tuesday or so, and the families were out there on the pier. A lot of excitement, a lot of joy, you know, being able to come on home and being able to appreciate, you know, what we missed. I had written orders. I had orders in hand to go to Parris Island to be with Marines. I was really excited to go to Parris Island. And I got a call from the Air-Land boss or chaplain there and said that we need you to go to, he wanted to talk to me. And so I was on board Saratoga at that time, flew in on the cod into Guantanamo. So I flew on in, got on the phone the next day, and he said, Chaplain, we want you to go to Holy Loch, Scotland. My first two words out of my mouth was, holy smokes. And I said, where is Holy Loch? It's over there on the other side of the world. And he called my wife and told my wife, you'll have a ball there, a B-A-L-L. My wife to this day says, I'm still trying to find where the ball's at. And she did, you know, she survived. She had her, I survived Holy Loch shirt, but she did, yeah, it was a little challenge for her, you know, over there. But we still had a good time. We had good camaraderie over there in Holy Loch.